Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful silk thread and pearl necklace at home. This is simple and easy to make. Everyone can make this. You have to just follow the whole step very carefully. You can wear this silk thread necklace in any occasion with any ethnic wear. So if you really like this pearl necklace, then please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like button because it's really motivated me a lot. Also request you to subscribe this channel with bell icon that you never miss any updates. And for more necklace video like this, please check the description box or simply click on I button. Now stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand the tutorial well. See you in next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.